Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a happy mail from Christina G on Instagram. I met her at Puddle in 2024 and was so sorry we just decided not to go this year, 2025, and I miss seeing her. I bought 3 Smart Dolls from her, thinking about another one from her. And she's such a nice person. I sat and talked to her for a long time at Puddle 2024. Really enjoyed myself. She contacted me and said, oh, she's so sweet. Said she was sending some patterns. She sent far more than that. Oh, God love you, Christine. Christina G on Instagram. Look what she sent me. I am so excited. These are for 15.5-inch dolls. This is for Jean dolls. And these are hard to come by. I mean, you can find them on eBay, but not so much like this. These do not feel cut. And I love that because they are not cut. And I take patterns over to my window and I put the pattern up on the window. I take a piece of copy paper and I draw around it rather than cutting the original patterns. Let's see what else she sent. She's such a sweetheart. I'm telling you, this girl is so nice. She has smart dolls. Oh my goodness, she has beautiful dolls. And she has fun dolls. Oh, wow, look at this. There are, oh, look at some stickers. In the world of chaos, I dress my dolls. Yeah, I sew for mine. Puddle Pals. Oh, how cute. How cute. And then there is a necklace. Oh, how cute is this? You know what? I'll bet she got these at Puddle this year and sent them. She's so sweet. See the little puddle? Oh, look what my smart doll got. Actually, that might be for my Blythe. Oh, I love that. Oh, how nice. And more stickers. Puddle. Yeah, I bet these are from 2025. Thank you so much, Christina. You are just the sweetest thing. Oh, wait, there's more. Oh, my goodness. I love these rainbow high purses. This one could be from the ball. I'm not sure if this is from, is it Zuru that has the mini purses or someone else? I can't remember. But I do like that, and so will my rainbow high dolls. That is very cute. And look at this, a little plastic container. I use these all the time for my dolls' hairs. It really pulls it out of their eyes, and it's just cute, just cute. Puddle, June's, yeah, this was the Secret Garden, and she sent me some more items. Very, very nice of her. I can't thank you enough, Christina. Very nice. One fun thing about these patterns is I'm going to be working with my 15 to 17-inch fashion dolls more and more. Darren and I are going to be hosting a Fall is for Fashion for this type dolls this fall, later this fall in November. So I am going to have a lot of fun with these patterns. Ooh, look at that jacket. Oh, wait, something else. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, a little rock. That could go in her purse. Maybe that's where it came out of. Anyway, I started saying, look at that jacket and that dress. Ooh, 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 ooh. I like that bodice. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.